In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer money from your bank over to Cash App. Cash App is a full service banking and investing app. You have a cash balance, savings, Bitcoin, stocks, paychecks, and much more, along with a card where you can spend your cash balance, and of course peer-to-peer payments. So there's a lot that you can do with your money here on Cash App. If you want to learn about any feature for this app, definitely check out the other videos on my channel where there's hundreds of tutorials. Now, one of the key features is being able to transfer money back and forth to your bank. So when you sign up for this app, you can tap the icon in the top right corner and then scroll down and tap on linked banks. This is going to show your connected cards and your connected bank. If you want to learn how to switch this, check out my previous video, but basically just make sure you have a bank account connected here. I'm going to go back and close this out. Now, in order to send money from your bank over to Cash App or from Cash App to your bank, you want to use these buttons right below your cash balance. So I can tap Add Cash, and then I could tap however much I wanted, or I can tap the three dots and type in however much I want. So let's just say $10, tap add, scan my face, and this is gonna move $10 from my bank over to Cash App. Tap done, and you can see my cash balance has already increased. It's an instant transfer and you're good to go. Then you could use that $10 you just transferred over, or however much is here in your cash balance. And you can participate in some of these saving or investing options. You can use the card to spend that balance, and you can apply discounts if you want. So just scroll through here or search for something that you might be interested in. Or you could send the money over to your friend or someone else you're trying to pay. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, found it helpful. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.